Today we're going to learn something interesting about the table of 9. It's pretty cool stuff, you know, because 9 is the largest, highest number in a single-digit number in the mathematical system that we use, which is a decimal number system, where we have a total of 10 different representations, 0 through 9. So 9 is the largest number in the set. So what I did over here, I did the table of 9, the first 10 multiples of 9. So 9 times 1, 9 times 2, 9 times 3, all the way through 9 times 10. So we have written these numbers down. Now some interesting things to look at. If you check out the very first column here, you will find the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If you check it from the bottom up, you will find 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is the only number, because this is the largest number, that in the first 10 multiples, it has all the digits, and then it will have all the digits in the ascending order, as well as in the descending order. So 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So either way, it has backwards, forwards, both kind of sorting right within it. The other interesting thing to look at over here is the numbers start out as 9, 18, 27, 36, 45. These are the numbers, okay? Now, this is halfway through. This is the midpoint. So now start looking at the numbers right below. Each number is the flip of the number in the same position in the set above. So if it is, look at it like this. 45, so 54. 36, 63. 27, 72, 18, 81, and 9 is 90. So all the numbers are flipped like this. So 45 becomes 54, 36, 63, 27, 72, 18, 81, 0, 9, 90. So it's a very, very interesting table to look at. You know, this is some fun stuff where you look at the numbers and you try to look for patterns within them. Thank you.